Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In previous video, we created a project which was related to sending unlimited messages to anyone available on social media platform. And based on the response that I have received, I am planning to teach you another amazing project which will definitely help you to remind you of drinking water. As you are a developer and coder, you sit on one place doing coding for hours. That's why you normally forget to drink water or do some important stuff that you must do. Apart from drinking water, taking a walk of few minutes can be really beneficial for your health. That's why in this video, I will be teaching you how you can create a desktop alert notification which will notify you to drink water at the regular intervals of time. So without wasting your time, let's move to create such a project to make this playlist more interesting and funny.
Adele, please drink water and stay hydrated.
Thanks for reminding me, Aditi.
You're welcome.
So as you can see on screen, there are two files available. First is water.ico. This file will be used as desktop water notification icon to our project. It looks like this. So it is ICO file. And the another file is a water notification file, which is our Python file. We will open it now. We require two modules, PyTTX3 and Plyer module. I have just imported these two packages. As you can see, I have simply created two variables called engine and voices. As you can see on the screen, engine variable is for object creation and voices variable is used for getting details of current speaking rate. And after that, I have just set up new voice rate as 1. This 1 produces female voice, and if I make it 0, it would produce male voice. I will show both voices during the runtime. So now let's move ahead. I have created a simple function called speak function which takes as audio as input. Then in this function there are just two lines, engine.sayAudio which will speak the text and engine.run and wait to stop after that. Then Plyer package has notification or notify module which has 4 inputs. First argument is title, which I have written as please drink water. And second argument is a message. It is a description of title. So I have just written you have not drink water since half an hour, so kindly drink it. Then third argument is app icon. This is part of that water.ico file that I showed you earlier, means this file. So let's move to program. And the last argument is timeout, and I have set it to 5 seconds. So our notification will be displayed on screen for 5 seconds. And after that, I have just write a speak function which will say Aditya, please drink water and stay hydrated. So let's run the program to see the output.
Adele, please drink water and stay hydrated.
So this was female voice of our program, and just I will make it 0 now for male voice. So I have set it, make it 0, and I will once again run the program.
Aditya, please drink water and stay hydrated.
So this was a male voice of our water notification module. I will make it 1 because I like the female voice. But to just drink water, we can't run this program for every 30 minutes. So I have found a solution for this. So just click on start button and just type task scheduler. So just click on it. So in this, this task scheduler application is used to set a task. So I will just click here task scheduler and just create a new task. Here, as you can see, it is option called create task. So I will just click on it. So it is asking a name of task. So I will just type drink water as name. Drink water, and if you want to write description, you can simply write according to your wish. So let's move to the another tab. Trigger tab is used to trigger a particular program. So I will just add this program in this trigger. So I will just click on new. So it is asking schedule. I will click daily, recur every 1 day, and we have to repeat this task for every 30 minutes. So this would be enough. Settings, and check this checkbox and just click OK and actions. So in this tab we have to just write an action. So I will just click on this. In this field you have to paste the part of your Python exe where you have installed Python. I have already copied this path, then I will just paste in here. So this is that part, and the another field is for add additional arguments. So just we have to write arguments in double quotes, and here we will give the path of our water notification.py program. I also copied the path of that program, and I will just write name of our Python file. So that was water notification, water underscore notification. Notification.py file. So and just click it OK. OK. Hence we have successfully created a task scheduler called as drink water. So now I will just run our program using this notification. So let's set our time to 1 or 2 minutes in future. So our current time is 11:17. So I will make it 11:18. I will just make it 11:18. Alright, add 00. So and just click on OK and OK here. So our program should run on 11:18. So as you can see, there are only 5 seconds remaining, and let's wait. I have not run the program, and let's see if notification comes or not.
Idiot. Please drink water and stay hydrated.
So the notification has come on exactly 11:18 p.m. So in this way, our program will keep working after every half an hour as we have set at the time. So this was our entire program. Thanks for watching this video.